And so this is how we're going to kick off into ADKAR. A quote from Jeff Hyatt from the very beginning of the ADKAR book. The secret to successful change lies beyond the visible and busy activities that surround change. And we all know what those busy and visible activities are. They're the things that make up that technical side solution. Even the things that feel exciting and engaging, that's the visible busy work. Successful change at its core is rooted in something much simpler. How do we facilitate change with one person? And that's where Jeff introduced the ADKAR model. ADKAR is an acronym. It stands for the 5 building blocks of successful change that Jeff described in this model, ADKANR. And here is ADKAR. Awareness of the need for change is the first A. Desire to participate and support the change is desire. The K is knowledge on how to change. Then an A for ability to implement the required skills and behaviors. That's where I've demonstrated I can do my job in the new way that's required by this initiative. And finally, R, reinforcement to sustain the change.